All right, Rob Frazier here. This video had quite a few people ask me this question, so I just want to chunk out this video. What four programs the multiple income funnel consists of is the first question I'm going to answer, and the second one was, will this system go away like Passport's Profits, or there's quite a few other, call it easy one-up marketing systems that were free for people to join, and maybe some weren't free, that people could get into. They would promote, and then the owner of whatever said system would go away. So I just want to answer those two questions here. So the first question, multiple income funnel, the first four programs, as it does have a couple of bonus income streams. I'm not participating in the bonus income streams, so you don't have to join them. You don't have to join everything. But the four main programs I am in at the highest levels. And again, you don't have to join at the highest levels of everything. But the four programs the multiple income funnel consists of are, number one, the multiple income funnel itself. This whole thing in and of itself is an income stream, which also ties into the second part where I answer, will this system go away like some of those other systems? So number one, the multiple income funnel itself. Number two, easy one-up. Number three, if I can do my hand right, Textbot AI. And number four is traffic authority. So the whole goal, I was talking to Mac when he put the system together, was to just basically have something that made sense, that also presented the idea of having multiple income streams. A lot of us affiliate marketers talk about that, but nothing out there really kind of just gels it in together. I myself have done a few systems like that, but none at this level. So that's the first half. The second portion, will this system go away like and I keep saying Passport's Profits because that's the main one that I can think of that a lot of folks were using, that the owner just took it offline because of a couple of changes that Peter Wolfing made with Easy One Up, but that's another whole conversation. What Mac has done is he partnered up with the guys at Traffic Authority, and don't quote me 100% on this, but basically it's not his, it is his system, but it's not his system, if that makes sense. He partnered up with the guys at Traffic Authority. Multiple Income Funnel has its own merchant account, its own e-wallet. So it's a program in and of itself, and it behooves him to keep it, because as more people come on and join, they're paying for the program. So it's not one of the free systems like, again, Passport Profits. You didn't have to pay that to use that. It was just a free system that anyone can get in and use, no matter who your sponsor was. And David was the one maintaining all of the back videos and different things like that. So this system, just like Traffic Authority, is its own program, has its own merchant account, has its own e-wallet, and it's handled partially by the guys at Traffic Authority. And again, the system's not going away. 4 income streams at the front. There's a couple of bonus income streams on the back end. I myself have moved this to the front end of everything I'm promoting, because my whole thing was, whenever people come in and they join you in one program and then you share another program, they're like, wait, I thought we was just promoting this one thing. And I like this because it just explains from the get-go. Multiple streams of income is how we continue to eat, especially as affiliate marketers, because programs always come, and sometimes they go quicker than expected, and this sets up everyone you bring in to already be thinking multiple income streams, but at the same time you need a smart way of presenting everything off the gate, if all that makes sense. So those are me answering those two questions I've been getting. If you got any value out of this, I'm going to include the link below this video. I myself have my own way of promoting this whole deal. I have my own perpetual traffic plan. I have my own daily method of operation. I got my own social media plan. I even got my own retirement plan. So if you decide to work with me in this system, in this program, you will get all that and my mentorship as well. And again, hopefully I answered those questions correctly to the best of my ability. Name's Rob Frazier. The link is below. We'll see you in the next one.